I'm trying to download TOSCA for practicing. Download. Okay. So try Syntist TOSCA. Okay. Start your 14-day trial. So when I click here, it asks to enter this form first. Then request trial button will be enabled. So it says business email. This is the problem because I do not own any business, but I have one student's email ID. Let me try that at acm.org. It can treat that as the business email. So job title developer. Okay, company. Now I don't have company, so I will write self. So request trial, what happens? Let's see. Okay, check your email for next steps. Please look and then this. So getting email is a problem now because that ACM is one computer institute. Actually it's a government body, we can say, or non-profit body, we can say, something like that. It's an organization, but it has many benefits actually. Yeah, I will just talk little bit about ACM. This is Association for Computer Machinery. It's a company and one can learn from them, that is for sure. Anyone can attend conferences. Some conferences can be free also, but anyway. So let's see whether email I received. Okay, something is there. Verify your email. Fine, so I just verify. What happens? Okay, create your cloud organization. Looks like it is working. So region, oh no, why this? There is no Dubai region here. So we will take United States. Country already it has taken, maybe. Create a URL for Tricentic's TOSCA. Now let's me write my name only. So company name itself. Continue. Create password. Okay, let's take some easy password. Okay. Okay, both are correct. Update password. Tricentic. Okay, so it accept. Then setting up cloud organization, creating. Looks like it is working. Setting up cloud organization. So it is working, I think. Creating user identity. Creating user identity, setup license, configure security, DNS setup completed, adding samples. Oh, huge process. How long to wait? No idea. Anyway, still as we are waiting, let me tell you whatever I know about TOSCA. It is AI based testing QA tool, and which has many features such as automation, manual testing, and report generation, as I remember, and a few things I'm telling with my confidence. And this particular tool, I undergone some training. I just purchased it for Indian 7,000 rupees, and I got those video courses. And the support group is there, but when I asked them how to download TOSCA, there was no reply. They just said there will be some session in the early morning, but early morning I can't even attend because of time zone issues. So I thought to do some progress myself. I saw some YouTube videos. So as you saw here, it was not taking the Gmail, but it has taken the student's email. So student's email worked finally. Great. So this is how it is. So I need to start the tour. I'm already familiar. Okay, let's start the tour then. Navigation. The menu bar on the left can take you to all menus. Okay. Then utility menu. Next. Then workspace. Next. Then enter. Okay, fine. We will explore it and we'll figure it out. So 14 days remaining for your trial. Wow. So install launcher to build and run advanced test in cloud. You need 2 days. Okay, looks good so far. So that's how we install the Tosca. It is a browser based, so it's not actual download as I was thinking, which is good anyway. I don't need to waste my hard disk size of my laptop. So let me stop recording now.